Who's your favorite Montreal Tigers player?
For now, it's obviously Dipendra Singh Airee because being a Nepali, so he's here representing Montreal Tigers. So obvious, I will support Dipendra Singh Airee for the Montreal Tigers and the whole Montreal's team.
What's one message you have for Dipendra Singh?
I wanna speak in Nepali because it will sound more pure because being a Nepali. So Dipendra Dai सन्जय हुनुहुन्छ अनि क्यानाडा आउनुभएको लाग्छ हाम्रो लागि बिङ अ नेपाली एकदमै प्राउड फिल भइरहेको छ हैन यसरी नै अझै हाम्रो देशलाई अझै राम्रो स्तरमा पुर्याइदिनु हैन सो इट्स बीन आई वान्ट टु ट्रान्सलेट इन इंग्लिश सो दैट ऑल द ऑडियंस गेट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइङ टु से so it's like Dipendra Singh Airee, he's one of the rising cricketer in Nepal and I want to wish him best of luck for his upcoming career as he's one of the backbone of Nepali cricket team as well. So I want to see him grow and being a Nepali coming in Canada and seeing here Dipendra Singh Airee representing Nepal. So it's been a great privilege for us. So it's a grateful moment for us. Wish him a great success in cricket in near future.
That was lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.